So we're really proud to support the Princess Trust at Northumbria Healthcare NHS Trust, and the Princess Trust is to support local communities and young people between 16 to 30 into employment, education or training. It's really important because often it's young people who currently aren't working. Perhaps they're not currently in studying or in any form of education. So it's to support those different communities and different demographics as well into a career, especially with the NHS in the future. So the Princess Trust facilitates this process by giving ourselves the opportunity to work directly with young people, and we do that in various ways. So we run employability courses with them where we get to support them around interview skills, employability skills for the future. It's really important for our future workforce to get young people into the organisation to work for us and for them to bring their skills and their experience into the organisation. It also represents our patient area as well. The more young people we can have working for the Trust, the more we represent that population group. So it's really important to work with young people from the Princess Trust to support them into employment and to create awareness of the different types of job roles within Northumbria Healthcare NHS Trust. So we have over 350 job roles which are in clinical and non-clinical roles, but also to give them opportunities to be part of our volunteer area or perhaps to do an apprenticeship with us in the future as well.